Welcome back friends. Today we are going to learn waffle stitch. Today we are going to use a 4-ply acrylic yarn and 3.75 mm crochet hook. Now let's make a slip knot. Now make chains in the multiples of 3. I have made 18 chains plus 2 chains, means total 20 chains I have made. After making a chain 18, make 2 chain and from the third chain from the hook make double crochet in every stitch. Please remember that we are not counting chain 2 as our stitch, so there will be total 18 double crochet. After making 18 double crochet, now make chain 2 and turn the work. In the first chain make double crochet, in the next post double crochet is called as post, so in the double crochet stitch we are going to make front post double crochet. Now 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitch. One front post double crochet, 2 double crochet in the next 2 stitch. Now make front post double crochet. Repeat this sequence one front post double crochet and 2 double crochet till the end of this line. Please be careful around the corners, as you can miss the last stitch and the work will look sloppy. So yes, please work in the last stitch. Yes. Completing the row 2, our work will look like this. Now make 2 chains, turn the work and start the row 3. In the start of row 3, in the first 2 chain, we are going to make double crochet. After that, in the next 2 stitches, we are going to make front post double crochet, where we have made simple double crochet in the round 2. There we are going to make front post double crochet, and in the next stitch 1 double crochet. So we are going to repeat 2 front post double crochet and 1 double crochet in round 3. If you are an absolute beginner, please use stitch marker or safety pins on both the ends, so that you don't lose the first and last stitch of each row. This stitch can be used in making blankets, cushion covers, pullovers, sweaters, and so many other things. You can also make baskets, bags, etc. I hope it helps. Please keep supporting me, and thank you for watching. Thank you once again. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon so that you can get notified. Please comment if you have any question. Thank you. Thank you once again.